All right, super pups. They're aged now. Little works of art. There's Chaos right there. He's got a bit of an out of town home. He's eating something. Some kale stem from our garden. The kale's the only thing that's surviving now. Kale's strong. The rest of it we already harvested. There's another out of town pup over here. His name is Skillet. Oh, he's fast. Can't keep them all on video, they're so fast. There's Mama there. All good babies. They're just over a month and 1 week, so a month and a week and a few days. 9 girls, or 9 dogs, 9 pups altogether. 4 boys, 5 girls. Good healthy litter. Zelda, where are you? Where's Zelda? Do you see her?
She's chewing there?
No, that's
she's
Shocker.
Up over there. She's up there.
Oh, that's Zelda over there.
Yeah, that's her.
Yeah. Zelda's also going over to the island.
Hop up. Here, baby. Not you, baby.
Oh, Chaos, there you are, buddy. A handsome boy. His racing stripe there, his spear stripe is fading away a bit. You never know, the white spot could be gone. It was so beautiful. Or it might just be a little bit. It's hard to tell right now. They're doing very good though.
Good boy, Chaos. Here. Here. Red. Sorry.
Red, go on.
Come here.
Skillet. He ate himself big. Oh, good girls. There's my Zelda. I was looking for you. No chewing the fence. Oh, I'm starting to get a little cryy now because been outside for a bit. We've been getting them outside daily. Good girl, Zelda. Oh, good girls. Got herself a piece of dried grass. It's a half decent day today for these guys to run around and play. It's a little bit harder breeding in the winter, but it makes tough dogs. They're always good with the harsh weather when you breed them in the winter because they're used to it right from the beginning. And then of course spring's just right around the corner and then they get the mad vitamin D they need. So you could argue that you might get tougher pups from breeding in the winter. But I think they all turn out pretty sensational and strong and healthy, agile. These guys are hybrids. They have all 4 pit bulls in them. American Bull Terrier, Staffordshire Bull Terrier, Red Nose and Blue Nose. I have one of my own of this same gene. I own the mom, the dad's mom and dad as well. Kept this going for 20 years. They eat all natural pup food. Pork, beef, human grade, fish. They haven't got fish yet, but they're about to. Probably handle a bit of fish in the next couple of days. Because it has bone in it. That'll be the first actual bones they start getting into. Will probably be from the small sardines. Wild caught, of course. Not in a can. And anchovies. Actually, yeah, we probably will get them on anchovies first because they're even smaller. The last puppies we had on the herrings first, they're sardine size, so somewhere around 5 or 6 inches. Something like that. Oh, hi, pretty chakra. Hi, babe. What a good looking girl you are. Yeah, party animal. Party. Woo. There's Damsel. She's a pretty girl. Bouncing off in the corner there. And Loki. Oh yeah, they're getting wild now. Having fun. Zelda. Go Zelda. There goes Skillet. Skillet's basically staying in the family. Going to one of my friends. It's like a brother and his wife, like a sis. Shouts out Devin and Brett. Woo!
There's them and Loki together.
Yeah. There they are.
Oh.
Handsome pups. All-time greats. Made with mad love, mad strength. Chaos! Loki! It's a little windy now. They handle it pretty good though. Yeah, Bubs. Meathead. Look at his meathead. I'm talking to you, Skillet. Talking to you, boy. Give us a show, buddy. Oh, look at that puppy dog. Oh, Louie's crying on the back. Whoa. Gotta roll over. He's a big boy. Oh, hi, big boy. Yeah, handsome guy, huh, Royce? Little muscles on them already. Oh, yeah. Good pups. Good pups. Where's Waldo, eh? Can you find your pup? If you do, you'll get a special prize of knowing you guessed right and knowing that you know your puppy. How rewarding. These are Christmas pups. All right. Say Merry Christmas.
Look at him, he's got grass stuck to his head.
I ran out of commentary, guys. Sorry. I know it's quiet. If you want, I can do some humming or something. Do, do, do. Or maybe some rapping. A lot of pups coming out. They're not schmucks. They're good pups. Just kidding. Oh, it's okay, Bellyacre. You got something to say, Bubs. Oh, come here. Hi, guys. Close-ups. Close-ups. Oh, they're playing again. Yeah, they like these balls.